Introducing the DeWalt 40V Max 3-in-1 mower. Cut through tough overgrowth with cordless power and a 20-inch cutting path. Easily mow tight spaces where larger mowers won't fit. And you can start early and stay late. Cordless power lets you keep working when gas engines are too loud. For professional results on commercial and residential properties. Part of the DeWalt 40V Max outdoor system. Gas performance guaranteed.
With the simple push of a button, the Greenworks line of lawn care tools are ready to power through all of your outdoor jobs. The entire system runs off of a single, powerful, lightweight, lithium-ion battery, so there are no fumes, no emissions, and virtually no maintenance. Powerful, gas-comparable tools that will change the way you work in your yard. Greenworks, one battery, all the tools you'll need. Shop now at greenworkstools.com.
This Lawn Boy self-propelled mower with electric start is an affordable, reliable walk-behind mower with some nice features that make mowing easy and leave your lawn looking great. With the electric starter, there's no need to pull a recoil cord. Just turn the key and you're ready to mow. And the rear-wheel drive self-propel system also makes mowing easier by providing plenty of traction for going up slopes or hills. The 2-point height of cut system adjusts 2 wheels at the same time, so setting your cutting height is fast and easy. The durable 21-inch steel deck and Lawn Boy's exclusive tri-cut cutting system make this a great mower for mulching. When you want to bag your clippings, Lawn Boy's larger bag fills easily, holds more, and lets you empty the clippings faster and less often. And Lawn Boy backs all their mowers with a full 2-year warranty and the 3-year True Start guarantee. So, for a dependable electric start mower that's easy to handle and hard to beat, this Lawn Boy's the right choice for you.
Put on gloves before you check the blades. Tip the mower and check the blades. Make sure that the blades are tightly secured. Carefully remove compacted grass from the blades. Be sure your grass bag is tear-free and clean for the season. For the first mow of the spring, set the deck of the lawnmower close to the ground. Don't cut your grass too short. It encourages a deep root system and helps prevent weeds from invading. Water infrequently but deeply. If you own an electric lawnmower, make sure your batteries are charged. And when you're finished, don't forget to recharge.
Introducing the DeWalt 2x20V Max brushless mower, a new addition to our ever-growing 100+ products 20V Max system. Equipped with 2 20V Max battery packs for powerful performance. And a metal deck for premium durability. Its belt-driven motor delivers increased torque when powering through tough overgrowth with 3-in-1 cutting modes for mulching, bagging, and rear discharge. And compatibility with your FlexVolt batteries. DeWalt, guaranteed tough.
Greenworks Pro is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful 80-volt lithium-ion battery and revolutionary brushless motor technology provide true gas performance. The cordless push mower has a 21-inch cutting deck, 3-in-1 mulch, side discharge, and rear bag capable. 5-position single-lever deck height adjustment provides cutting ranges from 1 1/4 to 3 3/8 for the best cut in all environments. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery uses cutting-edge technology to deliver maximum power, and it fully recharges in only 30 minutes. Smart Cut technology mows up to 10,000 square feet on a single charge. The electric start is easy to use, and it's ultra-quiet with minimal vibration versus comparable gas mowers. Hassle-free operation, no cord, no gas, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.
Introducing the 12-amp 20-inch electric mower from Greenworks Tools. The powerful 12-amp motor delivers enough power to cut through the toughest grass and weeds. At 56 pounds, with a durable 20-inch cutting deck, it is the ideal lawnmower for small to medium-sized yards. Thanks to its easy push start and lightweight design, eliminate all the hassles that come with a gas-equivalent mower. The 3-in-1 feature design provides multiple options for grass clippings from side discharge, mulching, and rear bagging. A 7-position height adjustment offers a range from 1.5 inch to 3 3/4 inch for the perfect cut on all grass types. Wide 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels ensure the mower will move across any yard. After use, conveniently store the mower thanks to the folding handles. Check out more helpful videos at greenworkstools.com or youtube.com/greenworks.
Lawn care just got easier with the Mojo MJ403E, a 17-inch electric lawnmower and mulcher from Sunjo. With a powerful 13-amp electric motor, mowing your grass with Mojo means no more messy gas, oil, or toxic carbon emissions. Now your lawnmower can be as green as the grass it cuts. Starting the Mojo is easy. Simply press and hold the safety button while pulling back on the bar lever and the motor starts instantly. Equipped with a durable steel blade, Mojo cruises through your lawn, leaving behind 17-inch trails of groomed green. And its rugged all-terrain wheels make it easy to maneuver in and out of tight spaces. Set the grass cutting height of your mower with the 7-position height adjustment lever, which can handle short and tall grass blades from 0.98 inches up to 2.87 inches. The 12-gallon rear bag provides ample capacity for uninterrupted mowing and detaches easily to quickly dispose of grass clippings. Plus, you can easily convert your Mojo lawnmower into a mulching mower by removing the rear bag and inserting the mulch plug. Now, the freshly cut, nutrient-rich grass clippings will recycle back into your lawn for fertilization as you mow. And when you're done mowing, the handles on the Mojo can be completely collapsed, so you can neatly store it without taking up much space in your garage or shed. The Mojo is backed by a full 2-year warranty and is ETL approved. Whether mulching or mowing, the Mojo MJ403E delivers the reliable performance you and your lawn can depend on every time. Mojo from Sunjo. Get equipped.